Hi guys, today we're checking out the most affordable sonic toothbrush available and is made by Xiaomi. Actually, its name is Mi Smart Electric Toothbrush T500, but we're just gonna call it T500. In the toothbrush market dominated by Philips and Oral-B, we have some alternatives also from Xiaomi, and this one is the least expensive from the brand. I have used this model for around 5 years and I can say it lasted a lot for an electric toothbrush. The only reason I had to replace it is because the rubber gasket around the metal part where you stick the replacement heads had broken, and most probably water got inside to the electrical parts and it did not start anymore. As you can see, this is a very durable gadget, and even now after 5 to 6 years the battery still lasted around 1 month of usage, but we'll talk about battery a little bit later. I bought this toothbrush model again and the price is still the same after all these years. It costs around $30 and it's much more cheap than the competition, who cost 5 times as much for no real advantages. Even though it's the same model, there are some minor differences that I will detail. The first one is the charging stand that now has a smaller contact surface for charging, so the new toothbrush does not fit in the old charger. While using it, if higher pressure is applied when brushing, the vibration motor will step down to a lower brushing power, which I can say it's a bit annoying, but at the same time it lets you know when you are brushing too hard. The good part is that the spare replacement brush heads are still compatible and also very cheap at around $10 for 3 pieces. Now let's focus on the construction. Like all Xiaomi gadgets, the T500 is made out of high quality white plastic, and on the back it has these dots that enhance the grip. On the front we have the Mi logo, 4 icons that light up showing the brush power selected, and the battery life, which can color in blue for full battery, orange for medium to low, and red for very low. We have also the power button that can be pressed to change the modes and long pressed for turning off. At the bottom we can attach one of the 3 colored rings that come in the package, so each family member knows its own toothbrush color. The charging is magnetic, and inside the toothbrush there is a magnetic levitation sonic motor. Sonic toothbrushes can remove dental plaque more effective than the ones rotating or oscillating, thanks to the high level of vibrations they produce. The bristles included are DuPont antimicrobial type. The T500 can be connected to the Xiaomi Home app via Bluetooth very easily. The app helps us to monitor how good the brushing was done and the brush history. You get points for brushing correctly. The brush has a built-in gyroscope which captures the user's movement and allows you to analyze the quality of the dental care. A custom brush profile can be created and you can change some of the settings like the brushing time, extra time for whitening, and the anti-splash startup delay. Note that the toothbrush has half-a-second pauses that guide you to know when it's time to change to each brushed zone. In the app we can also see the battery percentage and how many days are left till we need to change the heads. Battery time can vary from 3 weeks to 7 weeks depending on how often you're brushing. It should easily last you a month with a 2-minute brushing time for 2 times per day. After using this toothbrush for so long, I can say that I'm impressed about its durability, and for $30 to get these many functions and magnetic charging, I really recommend it, as I think it's one of the best budget sonic toothbrush you can get. Of course there are more expensive alternatives, but they don't offer anything extra to justify the price. So guys, I hope you liked this video, and as always, if you found it helpful, drop a like and subscribe to help this channel grow. I'll see you in the next one.